Okay, compound interest. So compound interest is known as interest on the interest because at the end of each compounding period, the accumulated interest is added to the principal and then the next interest calculation is done on the new total value. So your money is working better for you because it's having its interest also earn interest on itself. The formula for the compound interest is the amount equals principal times 1 plus I to the power of n. This should look familiar to you because this is basically an exponential growth function. You've got your starting value, which is p, you've got your growth factor, which is 1 plus I, and you've got your exponent n. So these are the meanings of the terms in an exponential or in a compound interest formula. A is the final amount, it's the principal plus the interest. P is the principal, I is the interest rate as a decimal, and n is the term of the investment, the number of compounding periods. So let's look at an example. We'll use the same example as before. We've got $1,000 principal invested for a term of 5 years and an interest rate of 3%. So we're going to just plug this into the formula. The 1,000 is P. The 3% is added to 1 to give you 1.03 to the power of 5. And so then you work that out and you get $1,159.27. Please remember that whenever you're doing these problems, carry 4 decimal places all the way to the end of your solution and then round it to your final answer. So I carried 4 decimal places before I rounded that 0.27. Now, in terms of how much interest the person earned, we're going to use a variation of the amount formula. So amount is principal plus interest. So to get the interest, I just subtract the principal from both sides, and I get $159.27. Now please compare this with $150, which was the simple interest. So for the same principal, the same rate, and the same term, you get more money because you've got this compounding process going on, putting the interest earned in each period into the next period so that you get money growing based on the money added in previously.